I'm too tired. After 45, that became my excuse for everything. Exercise, diet, life. It just seemed that's how it was. Then the 6 p.m. rule came into my life and changed everything. And it only took me 10 minutes. At 45, I'd get home, I'd crash on the couch, tell myself I'd work out after dinner. After dinner was 8 p.m. I was done. For 3 years, that was my excuse. I'm too tired cost me 40 pounds and almost every ounce of energy I had. So I started the 6 p.m. walk. Here's the rule. 6 p.m., 10 minutes, no phone, no podcast, no goal. You're not exercising, you're resetting cortisol, the stress hormone that makes you feel tired after 40. I've done this a lot, and it's why I'm not tense and exhausted at 8, 9 o'clock at night now. There's a few reasons why this fixes tired after 40. The main is it's a cortisol dump. You've been sitting, stressed out all day. Taking that walk clears your mind. No phones, no emails, nothing. It's also a transition ritual. Coming home, home is your place to rest. When you go for that walk, you understand that work is over. No more emails at 7, 8 p.m., just you. And there's a momentum factor. The 10 minutes proves that you're keeping that promise to yourself. And that's what a lot of this is about. It's about the self. That also kills the regret that you're not doing anything. I know what you're going to say. I don't have 10 minutes. I time myself. After dinner, I would spend easy half hour, 40 minutes scrolling on my phone. And maybe I'd watch something on the TV. That could be up to another hour. So I started to use this time to make that promise to myself. You have the 10 minutes. You just don't have the energy because you haven't reset. 6 p.m. walk is not about fitness. It's about calming your nervous system so you're not a zombie at 8 p.m. So here's how that starts. Tonight, 6 o'clock, set an alarm. 6:02, pick up your shoes, get them on, get outside, enjoy the trees, enjoy the nature, your surroundings. By 6:10, 6:15, you're home, done for the day. You do this for a few days, and I promise you, your energy will go up, and you won't feel so tired in the evenings. I'm too tired stops tonight. 10 minutes, no excuses. Try it and comment. Did the 6 p.m. walk. Let me know how it went. I'm Cray, and this is TreadTalk. I'll see you tomorrow.